Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing wonderful, and we're going to dive right into the best gain deals this week over at the Dollar General, and it is quite spectacular. I'm just going to leave it right there. If you have a little bit of time on Saturday, I would venture out there and try and make one of these deals happen. So we're going to need both this 5 off of 30 along with the 5 off of 25. They stack together in some regions. I know it works here in the Midwest, and you get just a lot of savings. Okay, so let's go through some rules. Obviously, Saturday is the biggest day for the savings with the two stacking together. You have to get to $30 before a single coupon is applied, so use the Dollar General app to make sure that the 5 off of 30 and the digital coupons are attaching. Perhaps bring an old-fashioned pad of paper and pen to take some notes, because sometimes with a $30 basket, things can get rather tricky. These are Michigan prices that I'm describing in this video, so if you're living in a different part of the United States, it might be a little bit more, hey, it might be a little bit less. Any issues you have after the cashier presses the final pay button, you can always void your transaction. All the digital coupons will stay on your store card, and you could try something else. Perhaps something was forgotten. It's happened to me before in the past. But yeah, just the rules. Okay, so this promotion is back, and as you can see, it's valid until the 10th, where if your receipt has $15 of P&G products, and if we, get a basket to $15, which we're paying after all the coupons and the Dollar General savings, we're going to get a 501 coupon on the bottom of your cash register receipt, and then you can use that immediately after for another transaction. So, yeah. That's why this Saturday is so fire, because this is also coming into play. And as you can see, Mr. Gain right at the bottom. So how fantastic is that? Okay, so for the first deal we're going to look at, it's digital. 100% digital. So we're going to need our two little friends, which is the 5 off of 25 along with the 5 off of 30. And let's just make a note of something. Digital coupons are of a one-time use. So if you used this guy last week in a certain transaction, your account doesn't have it anymore. First item that we're going to grab is one of these for $13.50. So either the fireworks or the flings. We have a $3 digital coupon. Now, scan every cent to make sure that your digital coupon is attaching, because sometimes there's some innocuous cent it's not attaching. And here is the digital coupon. As you can see, this guy expires on Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. And then off of this bingo chart, we're going to grab one item for $6.95. We're going to go with detergent because I'm so unoriginal. And then here we have our $2 digital that is in fact attaching. Now, the next item that we're going to grab is two of these Febreze car clips with the gain scent. So make sure that it does have the gain scent. I'm just showing you this for a visual, but from my little research and findings, this one, Moonlight Breeze, so the lavender one, it's attaching with the 3 off of 2. The other one, not right now, but maybe it'll change by Saturday. So definitely open up that Dollar General app. You want to see this stack where the 5 off of 30 and your digital coupon, so the 3 off of 2, boom, that's where you know it's stacking. And sometimes, because they have such a large catalog of these gain scents, some of them don't attach right away or it's a mess. So that's why I can't advocate enough to scan everything in store to make sure that digitals and the 5 off of 30 are attaching beautifully for your deals. And then we're going to grab two of these bad boys for $4. And then we have a digital coupon, which is this $1 off 2. So yeah, there's all of the items we need to grab. Looking at the math for this one, we're going there on a Saturday. We're going to grab one of the Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50. One Gain detergent for $6.95. Two Febreze with the Gain scent car clips. They're $5 each, so that's $10. And then two Gain dish soaps at $2 a pop, so that's $4. So the total for our basket is $34.45. As the cashier is scanning all of the merchandise, that's when you're going to punch in your phone number into the keypad. When he or she presses the final pay button, 5 off of 30 and 5 off of 25 will come off, along with the $9 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $15.45 out of pocket plus tax, and then at the bottom of your cash register tape, you're going to get that 501 coupon that you can use immediately after. So it shakes your basket out to $10.45 for the 6 products, or $1.74 per product. Now, you know what I would do? cut that 501 coupon and use it right away. I would grab 2 of the All products. All are Snuggle. I mean, and they're so nice. And see that 4 off of 2 digital coupon? Make sure that you have that loaded because we'll use a digital with. So we're going to grab 2 of these, whichever one you want. Make sure that 4 off of 2 is attaching. And then grab 2 items from the dollar spot. Look what I found, guys. Hostess candles. That Twinkie one was kind of amazing. I didn't buy it, but I did think about it. So maybe one day I'll treat myself and get myself these Hostess candles, but they are so stinking cute. Okay, looking at the math for this, we have our 2 All products at $4 each, so that's 8, and then 2 dollar spot items for $1 each, so that's $2. The total here is 10. Remember, we have our 4 off of 2 digital coupon, along with that 501 cash register tape coupon. You're paying 99 cents. If you could find something for $1.50, it's a lot less than the $2 from the dollar spot, but that coupon is 501 off, so they make it a little meh. So that's why we're going for a little bit more. So if you can find something like at $1.50, hey, that's a better deal, or grab 2 items from the dollar spot if you just cannot be bothered and you love these candles too. Okay, the next deal that we have is with insert coupons. So guys, we're going to need the 2 cornerstones that include the 5 off of 25. I would recommend to try and do this deal at least on a Saturday. This deal is also for more advanced shoppers, along with the 5 off of 30. So you need those 2 boosters loaded, not negotiable. So we're going to be grabbing 4 of these Febreze oil plugs with the Gain scent. So 4 of them, that's $20 on the nose. Now, because we're using these paper coupons, what we're going to do is present 2, then give a manufacturer coupon, present 2, present a manufacturer coupon. If you want to give both of these at the very end, only one will scan. It's how their cash registers are programmed. So again, for more advanced shoppers, and this is from the July P&G, this insert coupon, and you can use up to 2. So hopefully, you know, a reasonable store won't give you too much trouble about doing this. Scan 2 items, present a coupon, scan 2 items, present a coupon. Then we're grabbing 2 of these guys, which are the Febreze Gain car clips. They're $5 each in this lavender moonlight scent. And then remember, we have that 3 off of 2 digital coupon as well. So we need this guy loaded for this deal. And then the final product that we're going to grab is 3 of these Gain dish soaps at $2 each. So that is $6. And this is the final coupon that you need, which is the $1 off 2. So one of these bad boys. Okay, looking at the mathematics for this one, 4 of the Febreze oil plugs with the Gain scent at $5 each is $20. Remember, we're giving the cashier 2, presenting a coupon, giving the cashier 2, presenting a coupon. The max value for those coupons is $3 off, so $6 will come off. 2 of the Febreze with car, those clips at $5 each is $10, and then 3 Gain dish soaps for $6. They're $2 each. So your total is $36. And for this one, I would recommend to punch your phone number in right away. So anyhow, your total's $36, but then it's actually $30 because we had 2 $3 coupons. Cashier presses the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $3 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $16 out of pocket, getting back that 501 cash register tape at the bottom, making it $11 for the 9 products, or $1.22 per product. That's spectacular. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.